Being a child is hard. Being an adolescent is harder. Being an adult is the hardest. Growing up, I seemingly had a wonderful life. Loving parents, a great family system, and wonderful friends, also a good school. When I turned 7, my life went spiraling down, event after event. I started maturing at a young age. First, I suffered through my parents' first breakup. My dad moved in with my grandma, leaving just me and my mom at our trailer. My dad came back 2 weeks later, and my family resumed happily as if it never happened. When I turned 9, my dad was just never home anymore. We never did anything as a family, and it was just me and my mom still. I became really sad, and I felt extremely alone. My mom helped me start counseling, and that didn't help the situation. My mother and I were going to try and move closer to her parents. She kept me involved for the sake of our happiness. When I was 12, we moved from our rusted trailer into the apartment in Barrie. We started a new school and had a fresh start in a new city, but my pain didn't end there. I suffered from bullying and being harassed by the boys at the school all the time, as if I wasn't sad enough, right? Finally, I made some friends. They made me happier, and I started to forget the tough time I had been having, but even though it was still there, they made it better. Then I started my sophomore year of high school. My mother gave me a support animal. She thought that me and this cat were a great match because we both had rough starts within our childhood and with events that went on in our life. Lastly, my junior year of high school. Present time. I have come to terms with my dad. I see him from time to time, and we are best pals again. My supports, my friends, my family, and my feline have brought me to come to terms and guide me to my own happiness. I was accepted to CVCC, a program where education is at its finest and with hands-on learning. A second dysfunctional, silly family I get to call my own. Moving from that little valley to a new home has granted me a new beginning, even with a rough start, and I would not trade this home here in Vermont for anything else in the entire world.